A very good morning, my dear students. This is your English teacher, Mrs. Astha Gulati. And today we are going to start with the new video number 3 on the prepositions, chapter number 9 in your English grammar. We'll start with the exercise B, children. Fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. Also identify the type of prepositions you use. That is place, movement, time, direction. The first question, the meeting will be over in about an hour, that is time. They threw stones on the dogs, preposition of movement. Snoopy hid behind the curtain, preposition of place. The car slowly went into the tunnel, preposition of direction. My mother placed the vase on the table, that is preposition of place. I saw her on Monday, that is preposition of time. Here children, in Let's Crack exercise A, fill in the blanks with prepositions of manner. The student spoke with confidence to the teacher. Rita will pay me back in cash. She won the race with ease. I will read the book in leisure. They welcomed us with open arms. The principal gave me permission in writing to organize a function. I have only used this pen in emergency. The cake was made with great urgency. Here we are children on the page number 69, exercise B. Use prepositions of agency to complete these sentences. I like traveling by train. She cut the cake with a knife. May I pay by cash? He walked to school by foot. I saw it with my own eyes. Children, now we are on the page number 70, exercise D. Complete these sentences using until or by. You cannot go out to play until evening. Shantanu must submit his project by Tuesday. We must reach there for rehearsals by 4 p.m. She cannot work until she is well again. We were quite tired by the time they arrived. And now children, we are going to let's perfect it. Exercise A, underline the prepositions in the sentences, then mention the type of preposition used against each sentence. The bus shuttles between Delhi and Gurgaon. Between is the preposition of movement. The children ran across the bridge. Across is the preposition and its preposition of direction. Towards evening, you can hear the frogs croak. Towards is the preposition and its preposition of direction. I dug the flower beds with a spade. With is the preposition and its preposition of agency. The mountaineer reached the peak with great difficulty. With is again the preposition and it's the preposition of agency. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. I wonder what lies beyond the horizon. The band marched from the town. We walked along the river. I have been waiting here for 3 hours. I have been living here since 2011. These paintings will be sent by post. Slice the watermelon with this knife. Wait at the bus stop till I get back. The dog ran into the room chasing the cat. The post office is on the road. You must complete this assignment in a month. It was dark in the house. The singer signed autographs for the crowd. The electrician climbed the steps to get on the roof. The students sat at their desks and wrote their essays. This is page number 71 and exercise C. This is the last exercise from this chapter. Take the correct prepositions to complete the sentences. Let us nail the picture on the wall. The boy dived into the pool. The captain reported at 9:30. The birds chirped in the morning. The speaker is standing at the podium. The stranger crept in through the window at night. They spoke on the telephone for an hour. I heard the news about the flood on television. Can you recognize my grandfather in the photograph? The teacher promised to meet the students in an hour. And here we children come to the end of this chapter exercises. Please do the exercises in your books itself, and if you have any doubts, we will clear this in my next class. Thank you so much children.